Our next question is, an angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower from a point at a distance of 80 meters from the base is 30 degrees. How much higher must the tower be raised so that its angle of elevation at the same point may be 60 degrees? So we have a tower, unfinished tower. So that unfinished tower is seen from a point at a distance 80 meters from the foot of the tower with an angle 30 degrees. So assume that this is the tower. So this tower is finished, but top part is not finished. Okay, so a person observing from this point, which is 80 meters away from the foot of the tower, and he observed the finished part at an angle 30 degrees, and how much height we need to rise this building. So how much height we need to build, so that if you see the top of the tower, the total angle should be 60 degrees. Okay, so the unfinished part, if you rise to an extent such that if you see that top of the tower, the angle should make like 60 degrees. The elevated angle should be like 60 degrees. So here the question is, we need to find out the unfinished part height. Okay, so here if you name it like A, B, C and D, we need to find out DC value, and it is given AB value is given, BC we don't know, but angles are given. So from that we need to conclude the unfinished height of the unfinished part of that tower. So for that I would be considering two triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, those two are having some elevated angles like 30 and 60. So here 30 and 60, here it is 30 degrees and here it is 60 degrees. So anyway we are working with opposites and adjacents. So consider tan angles, like tan 30 is equal to, in this ABC, tan 30 is equal to BC by AB. So BC by AB, and tan 60 is equal to, in this triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to BD by AB. So we have BC and BD. So to get a DC we need to subtract BC from BD. So BD minus BC will give DC. So what is BD from here? It is AB tan 60. What is AB? 80. 80 into tan 60 is root 3. So 80 root 3 from here, minus what is BC? AB tan 30. So AB is 80, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you will get a 1 by root 3. That means 80 by root 3, which is equal to DC. So DC is equal to, bring 80 as common. So you will have root 3 minus 1 by root 3. By taking LCM you will have root 3 into root 3 will give 3 minus 1 by root 3. So it is 2. 280 into 2 by root 3 is the value we got. That means 160 by root 3. Students, you can evaluate this for the precise calculation. So here we have two triangles. So by taking the relative trigonometric ratios, we approach it to the distance that we want to find out, which is unfinished tower height.